Foldable devices are increasingly common, but little work has explored interactions at the hinge. We evaluate drag gestures across and along the hinge area of curved display prototypes with a hinge radius of 1, 6, 12, and 24 millimeters. These gestures at the hinge can be used for system-wide controls, as well as context-specific actions like renaming a file. To evaluate devices with different hinge radii, we fabricated prototypes by adhering a clear, flexible digitizer to a bent acrylic sheet. During the experiment, the prototype was clamped to a wooden stand, and an iPad indicated which tasks to perform. The facilitator monitored progress using the main computer. Before each condition, participants were asked to calibrate the system by touching each of the targets used in the experiment. Tasks involved dragging from a start target to an end target. All tasks involved dragging across or along the hinge. Tasks could be short or long, vertical, horizontal, or angled, with pen or touch input. Audio feedback indicated whether each task was successful. In addition to evaluating prototypes with hinge radii of 1, 6, 12, and 24 millimeters, we also used a Lenovo X1 Fold with 12 millimeter hinge radius as a control condition. Before performing the experiment, participants practiced the tasks on a flat surface. We built a series of demos for hinge-based interactions. The first demo leverages along hinge gestures for global settings. Swiping from the right edge of a hinge opens a touch bar where sliders control volume, brightness, and Wi-Fi. Swiping from the left side opens a multitasking bar. The second demo leverages Across-Hinge interactions for window management. Dragging a window through the hinge can snap the window to a section of the screen or close the window. The third demo leverages interactions that cross the hinge multiple times to modify objects in a drawing app. Dragging an object along the left duplicates the object, center changes the color, and right deletes the object. The fourth demo leverages both across and along hinge gestures for a file manager. Dragging a file through the hinge can trigger actions like duplicate and rename, or display additional options for sharing and opening files. For additional details and experimental results, see the accompanying paper.